morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 6, Metal and Non-Metal. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you the topic protection from rusting. So dear student, in this video I will explain you how we can protect iron article from being rusting. So the process which I am going to explain is about the metallic coating. So let us know about it. Metallic coating. First process I am going to explain you about the metallic coating is galvanization. In this process, iron particles are dipped in molten zinc. Molten zinc. Galvanization is done to those iron articles which are exposed to heavy moisture. Such as roof sets, tubs, buckets, water pipe, etc. So dear student, what do you mean by galvanization? So in galvanization process, iron articles or iron material are dipped in molten zinc. Dear student. As the iron particles are dipped in molten zinc, a layer of zinc coated over the iron article which used to protect iron article from being rusting. Also, we should know that galvanization are done to those iron articles which are exposed to heavy moisture. Dear student, those iron articles which are exposed to heavy moisture, to such articles only we have to galvanize. For example, like roof sets, as it is exposed to the moisture, tub, bucket and water pipe. So these iron articles are heavily exposed to the moisture. Also you have to know, dear student, those pipe which are galvanized water pipe which are galvanized, also known as GI pipe, galvanized iron pipe, dear student. And one more important about the galvanization process. Galvanized steel or those iron articles which are galvanized should not be used as a food container. Reason behind it, in food, acid used to present which used to react with zinc and form toxic compound or poisonous compound which is harmful for the human beings. So we should not use galvanized steel or galvanized article as a food container, dear student. Next I am going to explain you about second process, tin plating. Tin plating. In this case, iron article are dipped in molten tea. Molten tea. This seed are used to make boxes and cans for packing vegetables, meat and other edible material. So dear student, next process is tin plating. In this case, in the tin plating, the iron sheet are dipped in the molten tin, dear student, molten tin. And these sheets are used to make box and canes. And this box are used for packaging vegetables, fruits, beverages and many other edible items, dear student. So you should also know that tin is one of the corrosion resistance and non-toxic metal, dear student. So in this video we came to know about the two processes, galvanization and tin plating are the two processes by which we can protect iron from being rusting. So dear student, please you read this two topic and learn it. Thank you, dear students.